Hi Frank, this is Charles with 7883 SEO and Marketing here in Colorado Springs. I hope you're enjoying your holiday weekend. It's been good to us as well. Thank you for talking to me the other day on the phone and allowing me to shoot you guys this screencast. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to go over to SEMRush, which is a program that we use to scan websites for website health and local ranking. And so what I did is I put in a keyword into Google and I looked up window replacement Colorado Springs. So you guys popped up on Google Map Backs, but you guys weren't organic. So that's my first indicator that tells me something's wrong with your website, or it's underbuilt, or there's no SEO and so forth. So what I did is I went ahead, if you look right up here at my cursor, it should be yellow on your screen. I put in your guys' website right here. And so what comes up is this is all your website information. And so you guys got a decent authority score. Google kind of trusts you. That tells me your website's, fairly old in the sense that it's been there a while, an established company, so on and so forth. You guys have a lot of backlinks. Now, I do want to say something about backlinks. So backlinks are important in that the more you have that are quality, Google trust, because what that means is that it's coming from referring domains. It could be coming from newspapers, it could be coming from news articles, news channels, it could be coming from industry magazines, things like that, and citations, which is a part we'll get into here in a little bit. But the next thing I notice, you guys don't pay for any ad traffic through Google Ads, which is good. But the one thing I do notice is your guys' organic search traffic is pretty low. You guys got 121 keywords. We can go in and kind of take a look at those. Maybe, yeah. So this is basically, these are all the keywords that people here in Colorado Springs will type in, specifically looking for one service or another. And right here, you can kind of see what the volume is on some of that. So one of your guys' highest ranking keywords is your company name itself. But when it comes down to whether you guys are doing window installation or something like that, it's all pretty low. I mean, 140 and 90. I mean, that sounds like a lot, but I'm going to show you your competitor in a minute. It's, that's fairly low. So right now you can see your traffic's 38 with 121 keywords. So when I put in that keyword window replacement Colorado Springs, the number one competitor that comes up is Window World of Colorado Springs. And so their authority score is fairly similar to yours. Google trusts you guys. You guys have been around a long time. But if we click back on yours, you got half of the backlinks that Window World does, half of the referring domains, things like that matter. Now, I will say, once again, on backlinks, not all links are created equal. Some go to junk places or places that just don't have any relevance to your industry, which Google can see in the back pages. And when that happens, they rank you lower. The one thing your competitors do have over you guys is their organic search traffic is 3.2 thousand searches incoming into their website every month. And if we go look at their keywords compared to you guys had 121 or something like that. They have 884 keywords. Now this is where the term SEO comes in. But you can see they've got, 480. So like you guys had like 90 for search traffic coming in. They've got 480. Windows 260, window companies, Colorado Springs 480, things like that. That's where that matters. And I don't have to tell you guys windows aren't cheap. It's not cheap to do them. So with that amount of traffic coming in, you guys are potentially missing a lot of customers because you guys aren't ranking organically. The next thing I want to jump over to is I want to jump over to Whitespark really quick, which is a program I use to check citations. And this goes back to the backlink thing. So in here, you guys actually do have more citations than Window World. You guys have fairly similar opportunities, but what this is telling me, even though they have a lower amount of citations than you guys, their citations are more important in Google's eyes and have more relevance, which helps rank them, plus the organic traffic. The last part I want to talk to you guys about, and this is super important when it comes to ranking a website organically, is content. So Google crawls all the website pages, and what content is words, but words within words. And so that means there's a lot of keywords in here. Some of this stuff takes place in the back pages. They're looking for picture optimization and keyword alt text and things of that nature, and that's all keywords. I can tell by scanning your front page that you guys at best probably don't have 300 or 400 words, which is really low. Google really likes to see 12 to 1500 words on the front page with all the keyword structures in there. And usually every subsequent page they like to see anywhere between 500 and 750 words. And so what this means basically is that your guys' website is extremely under optimized and underbuilt in a sense. And you know, if this were to get improved, this could definitely help bring you guys up. I did run a scan on your optimization load speed itself for the website, and it does run pretty quickly. So that's a plus on your guys' part. But if we go back, yeah, your guys' organic search traffic is really low. That tells me right there that you guys don't have any SEO going on, and that would need to happen. If we go back and click, I mean, we can click on a random page. You do have a keyword in here, but it's missing some intents, meaning location-wise. It's too basic in your keywords, meaning it's not fully optimizing. It's too broad spectrum, so to speak, for it to be ranking locally. And Google looks at all that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to end this video here in a minute, and I hope that you guys watch this. I hope this interests you guys. I hope this will help you guys out. If you guys are interested in the email, all you got to do is click the link, watch it. If you guys are interested, my phone number is in there, and I'd love to talk to you guys about helping you guys either rebuild the site or add some SEO content to your site to help you rank organically better over the long run, help you guys get on that front page. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can give me a call back or shoot me an email to the same address that I send this video. And we'll talk to you guys later. You guys have a great day.